see. I think I can do it this time too. It's a little harder. Yeah.
Hey.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Chad and Rachel. Thank you guys for joining us again. Today we are going to be doing the camera swap challenge. I'm shooting with a Canon 80D with a 24mm pancake lens on there, f2.8, and then Chad is shooting with a
Sony a7 II with a 50mm 1.8 on it.
So today we're just gonna go ahead and shoot on Washington Avenue. We're gonna see what we can do with a camera we haven't shot with before. So thank you, Rachel, for joining us, being our models today, and thank you, Isaiah, behind the camera, for documenting everything. So we're gonna go ahead and swap cameras now. Here we go. This is gonna be weird. I guess we're gonna spend like the first couple minutes kind of just messing around with the settings.
How do you make it?
So how do I?
How do you make it when you can see it through just the viewfinder?
The viewfinder.
Because this mirror.
So if you hit this.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, you're on video. So this is just so you just put your face to it. Whoa!
Yeah, bro, that's the future.
Whoa! This is actually the video. We're just gonna be taking pictures of each other.
There's no zoom, that's a prime.
Is that allowed?
Is that allowed? That's like the focus.
I guess that would be cheating, huh?
Yeah.
Just like 2 feet away from our initial spot. So we're gonna hit up this like flowery area. There's a lot of potential right here. I really like this gate. I don't know why, but I do. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna start. So. Sweet. So, first impressions. Dude, the camera is slick and it makes me feel like I'm in the future. I really like it, but we'll see, man. I don't think I'm making the jump just yet, but I'm having fun. I gotta figure out, while Chad's going, I'm gonna figure out some settings to get, super artsy with it. So, cool. All right, Chad's up next, so we're gonna hit it up. You ready? Woo!
All right, we're gonna get this ready. Thoughts on the Canon? I don't know. Seems like the chum bucket of the two, but I don't know, I mean, I got some pretty good shots on it, so,
Alright, cut!
Feels like a bed, honestly.
Yeah, there you go.
Are we still like that? I don't know. I was about to ask
We can just take shots.
We can just take shots. Yeah.
Because I mean, it's just literally a green wall.
So the only thing that's slowing me down is like a viewfinder.
Yeah, you can just.
Or you could just do that. Look at my Sony right there, looking like a snack.
Anyways, we're at our second spot. Been shooting with Chad's A7 II. It's pretty nice. I do like the versatility of the camera body itself. I like how when you look through the viewfinder or through the live view mode, that's what you're getting, rather than going through the optical viewfinder of a Canon, and you have to kind of like gauge the exposure through there. That's one positive I do like about the Sonys, the mirrorless. I do like that. See, what you see is pretty much what you get with exposure. So basically, what I've been running into is whenever I snap the picture, Rachel's sitting there doing her pose, right? Just like that. And then when I look back in it, if I haven't changed if I haven't hit the shutter, it's just a still image of her. So it confuses me. So I'm like, all right. And then it's just, yeah, it's a mess. But other than that, man, it's pretty solid body. It's nice and light. But I don't think I'm gonna make the switch anytime soon. It's all about Canon, boy. We are on our second spot. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna switch lenses now. I've been using the 50-1.8 for Chad's camera. He's been using my 24mm 2.8 pancake. So what are you gonna use, me?
I'm gonna use the Nifty 50.
My Nifty 50 1.4. So this bad boy right here.
Right there.
50 1.4.
Ready? I think I can do it this time too. It's a little harder. Yeah.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
check this out. hey. You see that? It's touching. That's for real. We're walking down the street normally.
Super casual. Thanks for helping us out, man.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Everybody's having a good time. We're getting some cool shots. Rachel's doing a great job. Whoop, whoop. Chad, how you liking my baby?
You know, it's nice now that I got the 50 on there,
Yeah,
you know.
right.
I changed my mind.
It's all about the glass, man. It's all about the glass.
That's a fact right there. Facts.
Been getting some good shots so far, having a great time. We got a couple more hours to kill, and yeah, we're gonna get to it, man. So see you on the next clip. So we are here at 1815 Yellow Door Road. We are going to take some cool pictures right here. When we were driving by, we saw this and it caught our eye. So you know, we're kind of playing it by ear. We don't have any specific locations we want to shoot at besides a few that we've been to. But now we're gonna go ahead and get some cool, nice mustardy shots. So here we go. Someone do the transition. Do the transition.
I think I missed actually.
You got it one more time.
Oh, hi. Funny seeing you here. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up the camera swap challenge. It was an awesome time. I'm shooting again with the Sony A7 II. My final thoughts about using this camera, I'm I'm honestly really surprised that I would really like using a Sony mirrorless. For the most part, the shots that come directly out of camera look like awesome. So like exactly what kind of style I usually go for, which is kind of cinematic. So I'm really surprised and really happy with the image quality on these lenses and the body itself. The technology in the Sony mirrorless cameras are amazing. I'm happy with the image quality and how like light the body is. So yeah, those are my thoughts, man. So what about you, man? How'd you like my 80D?
Man, it is something different. I'm not gonna lie, like I've always been with Sony, so like Sony is like in my comfort zone. But I really liked how clear and crisp the images came out. And like the only difficulties I had with it is since Sony's mirrorless, you know, I'm able to just put my face up to the viewfinder and it'll show me exactly what I'm shooting. But here you gotta have to switch, you know. So it's like I love the image quality, but I don't think the way I shoot is more centered around like looking and, you know, switching back and forth. So that was like the only con I felt that I had with it. But otherwise, like once I got the 50mm on there, it was just like a game changer. So
the lens is awesome, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had a good time, man. Y'all had a good time?
Yeah.
Thank you again for coming out, Rachel. You did an amazing job. Can't wait to see those pictures, edit them, and all that good stuff. Isaiah, appreciate you coming out, documenting everything. Thank y'all so much for joining us on this camera swap challenge. Follow these guys. I'm gonna go ahead and link their Instagrams and all their stuff somewhere in the video, in the link description below, all that stuff. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know, stay tuned for more content, dude. So
we'll see y'all next time.
there you go.